100%.
Hallelujah. I love your voice. Ijwi ryawe noneho ndapfuye. Ubu ngubu ndi kuvuga ngiye gucelebra n'ukuri ndasaze. God bless you. Ndishimye ubwo tuzafata umwanya. Let me send my picture.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good night. Bye, sweetheart.
You too. Bye.
Dumba nukunyirukanyije. Yari kuva hanga hanyemereye urukundo.
Tugomba natwe gutereta.
Bakubwiye ngo umuntu arakubiye abakubiye. Wumvishe gutereta papa.
Ariko umwana nawe ari serieze.
Aya buretse ngo ni umutima wo muri Bibiliya ngo
reka nkohereza uwundi. Reka nkohereza uwundi kandi ari Toronto.
Ubundi Godfather ari muri Toronto. Uziko wagira ngo yarari kuvuga ibisigo.
Eva ni Bibiliya ngo iri mu mutima.
Godfather uri ikirayi.
Eva agiye kumuhamagara turiya ni Godfather. Eva ngwino inshuti yawe bayimereye nabi.
Domba munsi yawe hari umuntu witwa Kabano. Umwiceca.
Ndabaza Dumba. Nagerageje mu manota kangahe ku ijana?
Sha like 95%.
Oya urabikoze ariko huye n'umwana abantu ujijutse.
Ahubwo
n'umwana uzo gihaza cyawe akireba. Nagaro
guko shanse uwandivye ukankunda koko. Nose Dumba nimero wayimpaye. Du
Nje nabigenza utera.
Reka musevinge by the way.
Bise bikomereza hose.
Bidakomeza surumva Denise atari umwana muzima.
Chaka. Ukinisha kurya ukabihangiramo.
Niba ukinisha namufasha ubusa.
Umutora akaririmbo kitwa bagupfusha ubusa. Nakundi nyine.
Ahisa nturi indirimbo ya Debe ariko mujye muza dutarame bro ibigira byo yabikenewe.
Ati ngo rasinzira ibitotsi ukabibura. Uri kuri pano. Ariko man ya.
Imeze gende.
Kabano 57 nage kubereye Kabano.
Yarata.
Giye gukora exchange nzamure Kabano.
Amaji utagenda.
None Dumba. Dumba n'umwuka byaramo n'umunyarwanda.
Wabibonye Kabano ko bise bivuga mvugira ngo Yesu nashimwe.
Yesu
na. Abantu byakunze. Ndabakoze. Dumba
Yo uranyumva?
Avuga uruhe rurimi?
Avuga Ikirundi n'icyongereza n'igifaransa.
Reka maze mugigire.
Noneho nurangiza umubwire. Umuterete nurangiza umubwire ko ari pranka ni Dumba yarakohereje kandi Dumba aramukunda cyane.
Okay, yitwa ndamazina ye.
Bamwita Nice.
Nice. Okay, twagiye mu muting.
Hello.
Hey. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Who is this?
My name is James. How are you doing? Nice.
James.
Yeah, James.
From where?
From Rwanda.
Do I know you?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to introduce myself.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, Mpakanya gusa tuvugane. We busy? Oh, we can talk a bit.
I was outside.
So,
can I help you with something?
So is it the right time to talk, or I can call you back?
Yeah, you can talk.
We can talk. Okay, so okay, I'm a stranger right now. Ariko ndashaka kukubwira ubundi. My name is James.
Okay.
Living in Ottawa. Yeah, nahuye narakubonye rimwe kabiri gatatu.
Okay.
Yeah, shaka nimero yawe ndavuga nzakuvugisha even if I nubwo uri hanze, so sinzi ngo waba ufite umwanya ryari tukaza kuvugana. So it's gonna sound crazy, ariko nyine
who gave you my number?
I got from your friend. Ndaza kukubwira gusa nashaka kukubwira. Let me deliver my message by the way. Kamaze delivering a message yanjye umaze yuvi. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so nkuko nari mbikubwiye, my name is James. Yeah. Narakubonye rimwe kabiri gatatu, umutima urananirwa kwihangana. Ndavuga umwana w'umurundi kazi ndi gute ntamubwira uwo ndiwe. So, as I told you, I live in Orawa, nifuza kumenyana nawe. Ariko mu kumenyana nawe, I do like you. So,
okay.
Yeah, so if I get the chance, twamenyana, then ibindi bizakurikira.
Okay, but first of all, who gave you my number? Who's my friend?
Jesus. Ndabikubwira kuko nayifashe by the way, nayimwatse nabyita ko ari nko gato namutitirije nyimusaba wumva gufata nimero atabikubajije. So that's why I will apologize for not telling you who give you your number gusa.
Oh, you're gonna have to give me the name who gave you my number.
So a part of that ntabwo mpurenganza bwo kuvugana nawe. Waretse nkaza mukubwira numpa amahirwe yo kubonana nawe.
How do I know? I don't even know who
Jesus. What do you mean? What do you mean? No. Please.
Okay, send me a picture first.
My picture?
So I can know who am I talking to.
As I told you, I will do.
This is no call ID. I don't know.
Oh, sorry. Your mamvo. I'm going, even if you need, when you're comfortable, and I'm going to video. But to be honest, nice, I will tell you this. To be honest, I'm in love with you. You will give busy. I will send you everything. You can call even on video. What you have to know. So I deliver my message. Ndagukunda. Bingi ugenda busy in this evening, and that's it.
Okay.
Sinzi uko byakiye ariko niko kuri.
Honestly, I don't know what to say about it because probably I might have seen you outside or whatever, or I might not.
Listen to me. My heart.
And then guess what? You have to give me the name of the person,
I will give you
tell
the
person to text me and tell me, oh, I give you a number.
No,
so
listen.
I can know who it is.
Okay, I will be honest to you. Nice. Listen to me very well. Ndakubwiza ukuri narasaze ntekereza ko n'umuntu nawe maybe agukunda kuko ufite igikundiro cyinshi. I thought
that's insane.
No, listen. Ntekereza ko nagukunda kuko nimero, I will be honest, nimero nayimwibye. Nyimwatse almost 2 months. Yarayinyimye ambwira ko ntayafite. Kandi mbizi ko muvugana. Urumva, I choose. Ndavuga ngo
okay, woninde wayivye ko.
Manza wumve. Listen, my heart is bleeding. Ndikumva umutima wanjye nenda kuguruka. Nice, listen to me. Ndikumva umutima wanjye nenda kubastinga kuko I was being No, listen to me. I've been waiting. Byonyine ko ndi kukuvugisha, nzi ko ndi kuvugana nawe. Please tukumva ijwi ryawe. I feel like I can fly ndikumva. Oh my God. So, nicyo nashaka kukubwira. That's what's called for this moment, for this night. Nukuri, you're so beautiful, you're so amazing. Noneho ijwi ryawe, Jesus.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. So, nunyemerera ukazampa your opportunity. I will send you my picture. But what I need, unyemerere, can I save your number?
No, you're gonna save my. I don't know you first. Before you save my number, I need to know who am I talking to, and I need to know who it is. So after that,
I will give you the all details, even my ID. But what I say,
yes, send it to me.
I will do it immediately. Ariko ndakubwira, I'm in love with you. Nenda gupfa. Singiye kwitwa rero.
Is that a prank phone call?
There is no prank. Why am I have to do that?
That's insane.
No, please, ntabwo ari prank. Ndi kukubwira from bottom of my heart. Kandi singiye kugira whatever, so nuko bimeze. So please, sinkubeshye almost maze igihe kirekire, so singiye gupfa ntabikubwiye whatever. Kubera iki sinicwa n'ibyo ngibyo. So please accept my request.
Well, thank you for letting me know. But like I said, send those all details, and then I will contact you later.
Thank you.
Because like right now I'm outside.
Oh, you're outside.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This was prank. I get your number from Dumba, your friend.
It is a fucking prank. I know.
You do?
I'm in love with you. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Yes, send me your number. Let me see who are you.
I got your number from Dumba. He said he loves you so much.
So are you with Dumba right now?
No, I mean, I live in Toronto. I live in Montreal. So I was pranking you.
What's your name again?
James. Dumba mbwira ati umukobwa wanjye ndamukunda ngaho akira tereta ngo uyu mugore twumve mbaga wigenje.
You guys cannot do that shit to me.
No way. Nice, reka nkubwire. Urumva? Iyo nza gufatiraho ngo iki nakugigira kandi byose n'umugabo ukamureka.
Munezero nice. Jewe.
Okay. Okay, kakubwire no, to be honest. Si byari prank.
It is prank.
Yes, it is prank. I have your number where I have saved your number. Urumva? No, I'm going to ngiye kukutraga, ngiye kugutereta and in 1 month you're gonna be mine. Sha. Wewe. Thank you, sweetie. See you. Okay, let me send you my number.
Okay, you didn't even tell me your name. What's your name again?
My name is James.
Shut up. Are we still doing the prank?
No, we're not pranking yet.
Let me call Dumba. I'm gonna fuck him over.
Thank you, sweetie. Have a good night.
Good night.
Yo, Dumba. Bro, ugira inshuti nziza zizi kuganira, bro.
Kiranyica.
Yo, ndesha zamuka, muze muzamuke. Ariko urumva ko nzi kuganira.
Ohereje James kweri. Ni James Panda.
James Panda.
Wallahi.
Toma James.
James katereta kumukobwa.
Namuhamagaye. No, okay, twumvikane. Muremera ko ndi gentle ko nzi kuganira. Turabyemeranyaho.
Uri gikoko.
Ndagerageza.
Wowe kabano
urarenze.
Dumba agiye kuza nawe kuganira.
Umva none bari kukwita ngo James Bond.
Dumba naze kabisa.
None ukuntu atekereje izina.
James Bond.
Ndore hano hasi ngo ni James Bond.